Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. First of all, good morning. It is 11:30. I'm late. I have a doctor's appointment at 12:15 and it's probably like what, 10 minutes away. And traffic, you know, I'm gonna be late, I ain't gonna lie, but I'm not gonna be too late to the point where they're not gonna like see me. And also it's just a blood work type of doctor's appointment, just to see where my blood level is, because I'm anemic, so I always gotta, you know, check, make sure my blood ain't too damn low. Especially as a female, you gotta check that because, you know, you're monthly. Also, this vlogmas, I was really trying to upload every day for vlogmas, bro, but I'm sorry, it ain't working out for me. it's still gonna be a vlogmas, but it's just gonna be different. I'm uploading constantly, consistently this month. I'm not even gonna lie. Even if it's not like how the other YouTubers are doing it every day, I'm gonna vlog every day. I just won't upload every day. I see a few YouTubers, they're like doing like a weekly vlogmas, and I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I try to record and edit fast, but I don't want to rush editing. Oh, crazy thing, I gotta go to the post office, not today, tomorrow, because they were supposed to re-deliver my stuff and they have yet to re-deliver it. It just keeps saying processing. I don't have time. I need my packages. I be feeling like they do this on purpose. Talking about some final notice. How is that my final notice if this is the first time y'all deliver my stuff? And I put for a re-delivery and y'all ain't deliver my stuff. Stop playing with me. I feel like they just want us to come to the post office. Why does my camera keep doing that? Okay, so I am done. I don't think I'm gonna wear this glasses. I think I'm gonna wear my other glasses. How y'all like my hair? I try to do that little trendy hairstyle off TikTok. I don't know how I did, but I like it though. Even though I wish the bun was like a little fuller, but I'm waiting on my Uber. So I wanted to show you guys something. Y'all remember in my last vlog when I had talked about my eczema? My doctor had gave me these samples. That has my face feeling so smooth, my legs feeling smooth, body feeling smooth. I freaking love that. Until there's no harsh chemicals in it, I don't feel, you know what I'm saying? It's just so smooth. I love that, because the other moisturizer I be wanting to use, I feel the chemical. I don't like that. I think he should be close. I don't think he's that far. It says he's, oh yeah, he's close. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm in the Uber.
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking to together, cause we don't know how.
I gotta hold it like this, just so it can stay.
You want to get this one? Well, then again, it won't. That would fit. You gotta put a leash on his neck or something.
Oh yeah.
I don't like leashes on their neck, around they. You guys should get this one, Mike.
I actually like it.
I like it.
Hey, look, like it'll keep him warm.
Yeah, take him outside. Put this on.
What the hell?
I told you. Then I don't have a lot of luggage.
Okay, so I just left Marshalls and about to make one little stop and then come back over here. It's like 2 o'clock and I'm tired and it's rainy. And like, look outside. It's 2 o'clock and it look like that outside.
Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that no. Celebrate, don't wanna say you like it. I don't buy it with the say you like it. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust the paper than a Gemini.
Oh my god. Alright, so y'all, we in Target right now and it's 4 o'clock, bro. No bread that we like?
I mean, this bread, I'll buy it, but I don't know if you will like it.
No. I mean, get a bread you like.
Or you want a bagel?
I'll get a bagel. With taco sauce?
I don't know. You get one. I don't even know. Did I see one in the fridge?
I don't even know.
I think I see
I don't remember last time we even ate taco, that's why. That means no milk. That means no milk.
Alright, let's go.
No other ice cream?
No.
Oh look, they had those.
They still have the other one. Oh, let me get this one. They still got my mango one. I don't know about that vegan one.
For 24, I picked you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like go-go. And you are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Why not? A fucking good time, never carried nobody. I got a little drink, but it's not for a party. If you love me, girl, then I'm so, so sorry. I gotta give it to you like we in a match. Oh, like we in a
Barney, you want to take down the information on this Peter Tom under your mattress. Doesn't grow on trees, you know.
Love me some ginger ale.
Okay, y'all, so it's like, what, 6:15, got home like, what, 5? I'm about to take me a nap. I'm tired. I finished half of my Chipotle. I ain't eat the whole thing, but I'm about to take me a nap. And then I think later on I'm gonna bleach my wig. It's not too much to bleach because I got a 4x4, so it's all good. But I'm gonna bleach that, probably pluck it and stuff. I'm not gonna install it until Thursday because I'm gonna get my nails done Friday. It's not gonna be in this vlog, it's gonna be in a different vlog. So yeah, I gotta get my nails done, toes done, eyebrows done. So yeah, the reason why I want to install my hair that day is because I don't know, I might, because I know my nails are gonna be long, but it's gonna be a quick install anyways. Okay y'all, so right now I'm about to bleach my wig. This is the same wig company. I was gonna try a different wig company, but I'm like skeptical about certain things, you know what I'm saying? So when I got this wig, I was like, okay, this wig is good. So I was like, let me buy another wig from them. Now the reason why I got a 4x4 was really because I was tired of front tools. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm tired of having to do the whole thing. Like, at least with a 4x4, it's very easy and what's the word? Yeah, y'all might know the word. Convenient. Boom. It's very convenient. Take it off, put it on. You know what I'm saying? You gotta really do too much. I got my mask on because I don't like the smell. But this is how you really want it to be. Like a lumpy. You know what I'm saying? Not liquidy, but lumpy. Hey y'all, today is the next day. Yeah, I got my package. I didn't go pick it up. I had somebody else to pick it up for me because like I said, I don't do post office. I got my package. Thinking if I should, I'm gonna open it, to be honest. Also, my wig is finished. It took me almost an hour to bleach. I don't know if like the knots are like hard to bleach or something, or maybe because I did this, but I didn't even spray. I was gonna spray the inside, but I didn't spray the inside, and I felt like it still took forever to bleach. Oh, also yesterday, you guys saw me. I ain't gonna lie, yesterday I'm editing yesterday's vlog actually. I don't really do too much talking. I'm not gonna lie. When I be outside, I'm like, I'm shy to pull out my camera, so that's why I don't be doing too much talking. I just show. But y'all saw me looking for a suitcase. I am going on a vacation. Not saying where, not saying when, but yes, I am going on a vacation. And I was looking at the suitcases. Some of them was small, some of them was too big. But then I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, bro, you gonna need a big suitcase just in case you want to shop where you going. I got me a duffel bag from Shein. To the airport. This is the one you can put your shoes, yeah, and the side you can put your sneakers. I think I'm gonna do that because I'm wearing slippers to the airport. I don't like wearing sneakers to the airport because when they be telling you to take your shoes off and all that stuff, and I like to be comfortable. This dress is long as hell, but it's gonna, oh, I could tell it's gonna look right on me. Oh, my jacket is so cute. But I'm gonna show y'all every single item when I do the pack with me. I'm gonna take these to the laundromat tomorrow. But yeah, that's really much it for today, and I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Okay y'all, so today is Thursday, which is the next day from yesterday's vlog, And I ain't really vlog today, to be honest, because I was tired running around doing laundry and food shopping, and I was exhausted. To just vlog me putting away my clothes, sorting out the clothes that I'm gonna take, and that's gonna be the end of this vlog. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't really do much in this vlog, but the next vlogs y'all gonna see a lot more, you know what I'm saying? Because I already told you I'm going on vacation, so y'all gonna see way more than what y'all see in this vlog. But I'm about to play some music and put these clothes away.
I never be ready to get in the streets with me, no quit. Get a lot of love from the rest on me. Why they watching my ass? Get so pretty, little better than.
Okay, y'all, so I put some of my clothes away, and now I'm sorting out the clothes that I will be bringing, and this is a lot of clothes. So tomorrow it's gonna be another vlog. This is gonna be the end of this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. When you subscribe, turn that post notification bell on to know a brand new video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.